Susan. Today I am participating in week 16 of the Crossword Collage Challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this is a challenge where all we need is a title, a crossword, and anything we want to do. So I've got that down. I've already got my page inked, and I'm just a girl, just like Gwen Stefani says. So I've got these digitals from the Digital Collage Club, and I thought I would use them because I really think they're cool. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good, even though my Bulldogs lost and my poor husband and son's Dolphins lost. As far as I know, Dallas is still playing. But I love these pictures, but you know this was very risque back then. And I wonder if, say about 50 years, we're going to be looking at pictures. Well, I won't be looking at pictures, but maybe somebody will be looking at pictures of girls on pole dance, in strip clubs on pole dances and thinking that that's something cool. I don't know. But I love these images. So I'm just going to figure out where I want them. I'm just going to kind of get an idea. But I thought they were kind of cool, especially for the time period. I think I'm going to add that there maybe. Maybe something like that. We need a little music. And we can always use a little something that smells good. And we need a nice high heel dancing shoe. Why not? So I'm kind of going along with that. Well, I don't know of anything that's gone on since the last time I've videoed, which was only this morning. So it's kind of hard to come up with anything new to say, except I know my Bulldogs lost, and I know my husband and son's Dolphins lost. I hope y'all's day is going pretty good. Hope it's a good Sunday. This won't be posted, I know, until Monday. But it's Sunday when I'm filming. It's getting late and my head is starting to hurt just a little bit. So this will probably be a very quick video. But y'all be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Design. I love what she does. I'm so behind on my videos. I've got to catch up. I've mentioned in another one that I did the Dear Julie journal challenge and made a journal. It's my first one doing it, and it was due yesterday. So I procrastinated in my starting, so I've been the last week stressing out trying to finish it up on time. And I did get finished, and I really love how it turned out. But I also know that I've got a lot more to learn. And that's okay. We never stop learning, do we? Okay. But that's the cool thing is after doing this, I've added a few more things to my arsenal, and I'm starting the one for October, and I'll learn a few more things to add to my arsenal, so maybe my journal making will improve, and I will learn and zip through these things and just enjoy the process and not stress so much. Sometimes you just have to go through a little stress before you get to the enjoyment part. Now my stress comes from procrastinating, because then I'm in a time crunch. But hopefully I've learned my lesson. I say I have. I can hope. You know what? That's pretty much what this is going to be. But I will add some splatters. Whoops. I feel like I need to get more inventive with my crossword collages, but sometimes it just feels good just to put something down on a page. I like watching Nicole of Relax Cut Glue, and she does mostly like glue books and making postcards and ATC cards, and there's so much joy to be gotten just from that, just from gluing stuff down. So I'm not gonna whoop up on myself if I don't have a so-called masterpiece each week. The biggest thing is I love these images. So I'm just gonna, because a girl needs gold. Gold splatters just makes you feel better. And I'm just going to add a little bit of black because I think it balances out the gold. I'm running out of water. Now, if you do like cooking videos, I uploaded today, which is Sunday, apple walnut cake, and it is so good, so moist. And it's a family. I had done this video a couple years ago, and so I'm just redoing it, because people don't tend to go back and look at the old videos. So after a while, it's not such a bad thing to redo them, I think. Well, I think the only other thing I might do, well, I don't even know if I want to do that. And I was going to go around, maybe I'll go around with this gold pen. Just something. Something to add to it. Just to highlight it a little. Something different. Sometimes it's good to try something different, huh? I like that. I love the colors in these cards. I love when you kind of get that mix of modern with vintage or retro. Because you've got the retro images, but they're really, the colors are more modern, I feel. I could be wrong. Well, this one was absolutely short but sweet, and I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It wasn't much to it, but I really enjoyed the way it turned out, and I hope you do as well. So if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, be sure and check out Barbie's channel, because you won't be disappointed. She is so funny, and she is so talented, and she's been working on this journal that is just so beautiful. It's a cowgirl journal, and the images are stunning. So go by and check that out, and check out her other collages and such. So until next time, bye y'all.